Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to disable data saver mode for WhatsApp calls so you can enjoy the best call quality without interruptions. If your WhatsApp calls sometimes sound unclear or keep dropping, it might be because the data saver option is turned on. Let's walk through the updated steps to turn it off quickly. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once the main chat screen appears, look toward the top right corner. We'll see three small dots. Tap on those to open the menu. From there, select the option that says Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find several sections for different WhatsApp features. Tap on the one labeled Storage and Data. This is where you can control how WhatsApp uses your internet connection and manages your data usage. Now, look for the switch that says Use Less Data for Calls. When this option is turned on, WhatsApp reduces your call quality to save mobile data. To disable data saver mode, simply toggle the switch to the off position. When you do, the slider will turn gray or move to the left, depending on your phone's interface. Once that's done, your WhatsApp calls will no longer be limited by data saving settings. You can now enjoy clearer audio, smoother connections, and a better overall calling experience. It's worth noting that this feature mainly affects mobile data, so if you're using Wi-Fi, disabling it won't make much difference. However, if you frequently call over mobile internet, turning it off ensures your calls are always high quality. That's it. You've successfully disabled data saver mode for WhatsApp calls. The change takes effect immediately. AU can start making calls right away. If you ever want to save data again, just follow the same steps and toggle it back on. Thanks for watching.